So in this tutorial, we learn how to install Seaborn. Seaborn is a Python library used for creating informative and appealing statistical graphics. But before you do the installation process, make sure that you have downloaded and installed Python. And I've done a video of it, and it's in the description below. So come to the search bar and type CMD and press enter. You can first verify the Python version that you have. Type Python -version, press enter, and you can see that you have the latest version, which is Python 3.13.3. So you can come to the search bar and type IDLE. So IDLE is an integrated development environment for Python. Open it, and we can type import Seaborn. Press enter, and you can see that you have an error, meaning the module is not found. So come back to the command prompt and type pip install Seaborn. So pip is a standard package manager, and it can be used to install, update, and manage third-party libraries. So click enter and wait for the installation to start taking place. Just a few seconds and the installation process will be done. And you can see that you have successfully installed Seaborn. So you can come back to the IDLE. So let me first close it. Come to the IDLE, press enter, and type import Seaborn. Press enter, and you can see that you don't have any error, meaning that the module has been installed. So that's how to install Seaborn. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Webpro Education. Thank you.